What happened? Oliver, did you bite her?
Maple, what? Teddy? What is wrong with you? Honestly, Teddy, stay there. Hey!
Look at this mess. Who knocked over the chicken? Yeah, I see you pointing. Was it him? Don't hit him. Hey. Both of you are in trouble. Big trouble. Look at this. You knocked the whole thing over. Don't start with me. You broke my plant. You are not blaming him right now. He was on the couch the whole time. No.
Bad cat. You broke the TV. What? You saying it was